How to hard reset Honor Magic V6.
Step 1. Press power button and volume up button and turn off your device.
Step 2. Once it turn off, hold the power button plus volume up at same time.
Step 3. Once you see the Honor logo, let go the power button, but keep holding volume up button. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.